Hello everyone. Hope you all doing well and welcome back to MSFT webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to create a shared folder in Windows Server 2022 using Windows Admin Center. The file server role manage shared folders and enable users to access files on local computer over the network. There are various ways to create a file share like File Explorer, Server Manager, or PowerShell. If you manage your server using Windows Admin Center, you will be provided with an additional GUI option to create a shared folder. This video will cover the steps on how to create a shared folder in our Windows Server 2022 machine using the Windows Admin Center. Click on WS 2022-DC01 server. Under Tools, click on Files and File Sharing. We have two partitions on our Windows Server 2022. We will use partition E to store the file share. Click on File Shares. The existing shared folders on the Windows Server 2022 machine can be seen here. Let's create a new share on Windows Server 2022. Click on New Share. Click on Browse to select the folder's local location. Double-click on E drive. Click on New Folder to create a new folder on the E drive. Type a name for this folder. I'm giving name Test Data. After giving name to the folder, click on Submit. We can see the Test Data folder on the E drive. Now select Test Data folder and click on OK. Check the folder location. It should be E:/test data. Based on local folder name, folder share name will populate automatically. If it's necessary, you can change the shared name to a different name. We will go with the default share name, which is test data. Next, we have to set up the share level permission for this folder. Click on Search. Selection mode will be Active Directory. We will first search for user account from our Active Directory. So select user from the list. Type administrator and click on Search. From the result, select the administrator account. In earlier videos, we have created an Active Directory group named Test Group. We want to assign the full control permission to Test Group. So let's add Test Group here. This time, select Group from the list. Type Test Group and click on Search. From the result, select the Test Group. So we have selected two objects, Administrator User Account and Test Group. Click on Add. By default, everyone with full control permission entry will be there. So if you want to assign customized permission, you have to delete the everyone entry. So let's click on Delete to delete everyone full control entries from the permission. Leave the rest settings to default and click on Create to create a shared folder. We have successfully created a shared folder on Windows Server 2022 using Windows Admin Center. Let's try to access the shared folder from this Windows 10 computer. On this computer, we have logged in using the domain administrator account. Open Run menu, type UNC path WS 2022-DC01 and press Enter key to access the shared folder from Windows Server 2022 machine. Here we can see the Test Data folder. Double-click on the Test Data folder to access it. Create a new folder and give a name to the folder. Let's try to delete the folder. Right-click on Folder and select Delete. Click on Yes to permanently delete this folder. User is able to create a folder and delete a folder. So we can confirm that administrator has full control on this shared folder. Go back to Windows Admin Center. Suppose if you want to edit the existing shared folder, you just have to click on it. For example, instead of full control for Test Group on this shared folder, we want to assign read-only permission. Click on drop-down menu and select Read Permission from the list. Click on Edit to save the changes. We get the confirmation message about the update in shared permission on the shared folder. So this is how we can create a shared folder on Windows Server 2022 using the Windows Admin Center. Now let's connect to our Windows Server 2022 using Remote Desktop. Click on Remote Desktop. Type the password of our administrator user account. Select this checkbox. Automatically connect with the certificate presented by this machine. Click on Confirm to accept the certificate. Now we just need to click on Connect to connect to our Windows Server 2022 using RDP. Open File Explorer. Double-click on E drive. Here we have a folder named Test Data. Right-click on Test Data folder and go for the Properties. Click on Sharing tab. Click on Advanced Sharing. We can confirm that this folder is shared. Click on Permissions. We can see Test Group has read-only permission and Administrator has full control on this shared folder. So we can confirm that we can use Windows Admin Center to create a shared folder in Windows Server 2022. That's all for this video on how to create a shared folder in Windows Server 2022 with Windows Admin Center. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions and suggestions, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.